corrective action operator has to investigate. Let me take the same wording so that we don't miss anything. First case.
Yeah, I want to see it. I think we have lots of
Response time.
response time here.
Yes.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Like,
Not trigger the exceeding the design temperature of the second state.
Correct.
It's but a long.
Yeah.
So
So I want to see this exact number. I think I sent you the seal. Seal.
all the seal benches.
Yeah. Seal number. Yeah.
Search about self recommendation.
Yeah.
Dynamic.
Seal number
Yes.
11, I think. 10.
let me see.
Okay. 118 minutes here but from high to high, I have 47 minutes. So no issues. More than 30.
Okay, so operator response time. What is operator response time? I think you have a lot of time, right?
Fortunately, we have more than 30 minutes here. We did, we did a dynamic simulation and yeah.
Very nice. This is a process subset. This is likelihood. I would take the same thing.
High to high.
And maybe low, right? Because there is no major concern. This is more than not urgent.
Not
This
that.
is low and not urgent is P3, right?
P3.
HMA. And no grouping or no. Good guys, so this is about the TAH. And now we are going for TAL. Now let us consider TSAH first.
Yeah, because it's the same as that one, right?
Same thing, yes. TSAH. So I would say S Y this is valid.